Welcome. In front of me I have LG K42 and I'm going to show you how you can apply screen protector on this device. At the first we have to get good source of light. We have to take a look on the screen. As you can see, we can find here a lot of fingerprints and dust. So we have to open our box with screen protector. And here we got the tempered glass. And also wipes to clean our screen and stickers to take dust. So let's open a wet wipe and clean for the first screen. Next, just go for the dry one. And then just simply take this sticker to take dust from the screen. So just take a look at here, and here we got one piece in the left corner. Wait, let's just take focus on the screen. And also in this section I see 1, 2, 3 and 4 pieces of the dust, so simply take it off by making this gesture. Just stick this sticker to your screen. Okay, and right now we have to grab our screen protector, take off this peel, and we can start by touching the top screen, the top section of the screen right here. So put it like that. Keep holding the bottom part and then press with your finger right here, and then put it back at the bottom, and as you can see it goes almost automatically, right? If you have this kind of the air bubble, you have to simply do something like that. Just press it to one of the edge, left or the right. You can do it with your nail also. And here we have to press it like that. And right now we have to simply use this this dry wipe to clean our screen. Okay, and after that we can easily turn on our device. Okay, and as you can see our device is turned on. Right now we can test our touch interaction, and as you can see it works really good. Let me just input the password to Wi-Fi network, and right now you don't have to be afraid of any scratches or the breaks on the screen on your LG K42. So that's how we can apply tempered glass on this device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!